Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French dish, traditional dish from French cuisine, cooking term designating a round enclosed pie, usually made by baking 2 discs of puff pastry with filling stuffed in between. So how do you go about pronouncing this? For reference, in French, in France, we say it as Pithivier, 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 but it'd be fine in English to say it as Pithivier, Pithivier, from French, Pithivier. Did you get it? Did you understand the pronunciation? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French cooking terms whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci, au revoir.